are learning from Jordan's Animal Fact File book. We're going to learn about D animals today, and we're going to start with deer. Male deer grow new antlers each year. A male deer or a boy deer is called a buck. A large male or boy deer is called a stag, and a female or girl deer is called a doe, and a group of deer is called a herd. Deer. D is also for dog. Dog. An adult dog has 42 teeth. Dogs can run about 19 miles an hour. The average body temperature of a dog is 101.2 degrees. More than 1 in 3 families in the U.S. owns a dog. Dogs are mentioned 14 times in the Bible. Dog. Dolphin. The orca killer whale is actually a type of dolphin. Dolphins live in schools or pods of up to 12 in each. A female or girl dolphin are also called cowls. A male or boy dolphin is also called a bull. The most common dolphin is a bottlenose dolphin. D is also for donkey. A male or boy donkey is called a jack, and a female or girl donkey is called a jenny. China has more donkeys than any other country. Donkeys are sometimes called burros. A mule is a cross between a horse and a donkey. Donkey. D is also for dove.
Do you like
Dove. Doves are in the pigeon family. Doves live in the woodlands and tropical forests. There are many different types of doves, and doves usually lay 2 eggs at a time. Doves. D is also for duck. A male or boy duck is called a drake. That's a pretty duck. A female or girl duck is called a hen. Mallard ducks live 8 to 10 years. Ducks are found everywhere except Antarctica. Ducks are omnivores. They eat aquatic plants, small fish, and fresh insects and worms. Duck. And last but not least, D is for dingo. Dingoes are omnivores that eat rabbits, birds, lizards, rodents, fruits, and plants. Dingoes give birth to about 5 pups. Dingoes live in Australia and Southeast Asia. Dingoes weigh 22 to 33 pounds, and dingoes grow 3.5 to 4 feet tall. D is for dingo. And that's all we have today for our D animals. See you next time for E animals.